In this demo, we will show you how to use PuppyGraph with your Databricks Managed Iceberg Tables. The data in this demo is a few simple tables that show various users and software that they have either created or know how to use. As you can see in this notebook, we've loaded a few entries into each table, all containing various relationships that we can easily explore in PuppyGraph. Next, let's log into PuppyGraph and connect our Databricks Managed Iceberg Tables to the platform. Once logged in, let's click the Create Graph Schema button to launch the Schema Creation Wizard and plug in the details that will allow us to connect to Databricks. We will select our catalog type as Apache Iceberg, fill in other important details like our catalog name, metastore type, and other connectivity details including the REST API URL we want to use and other security details. With everything plugged in, we'll click Save, and then we can either add more catalogs or, as in this case, click Submit to complete the data source configuration. Next, we will visually create our graph schema, adding nodes and edges we require based on the data in the underlying iceberg tables. We can select the fields we want to include and specify any aliases for them. For creating relationships in the data, we will add our edges. Here, we will select the nodes that will be connected to each other based on what we've created so far. Once we have the schema plugged in, we can click Submit to submit to the PuppyGraph server. Now, you'll have full access to the underlying iceberg data as a graph with no ETL required. Within PuppyGraph, you can create and save queries in the dashboard screen, and you can also run ad hoc queries on the query screen using your preferred query language such as Gremlin or Cypher. To learn more about PuppyGraph and how it can enable zero ETL graph capabilities on top of your iceberg data, visit www.puppygraph.com.